And yet every time I tell you something in a real life, you come on live, and I talk about it. And I bring it on the social media. I say, don't call me name. You know black kitty cause of me. You know black kitty cause of me. You're black kitty cause you and kitty have something, bro. Don't come make it like say you're not a real friend, bro. You see it? Don't come make it like say you're not a real friend, bro. You see it? You over here diss me people them. And when me for diss your people them, you come get vexed and end off match, bro. What kind of friendship that, bro? What kind of friendship that, bro? I want a friendship that, bro. I don't want a one-sided friendship, bro. I want a friendship like me and Bolo, dog. I want to know, bro. I want a friendship like me and Gaza, dog. Man, them not do nothing for me, bro, and I come back in on face to me and I tell me, dog. Man, them not do that, youth. Man, them not do that, bro. You tell me if I got number one. You tell me if I got number one, yes. But I never mean say me I got number one.